So when I talk to my clients who are real estate agents, I always tell them and remind them that remember that when you are a real estate agent, you're wearing two different hats. You're wearing the hat of the business owner because you are considered a small business, but you're also wearing many, many other hats, such as the hat of an employee. So on average, what I suggest to my clients is that as you're earning the income, please do not spend all of it. Please, remember that a portion of this income is supposed to be saved up for the purpose of paying the taxes that you would owe to your respective government. And I think one of the biggest problems that I see with a lot of real estate agents and a lot of my clients who are real estate agents is that they didn't account for it. And at the end of the year, they go to their CPA or a tax advisor, and the tax advisor says, Anna, Bruno, you did a great job. You earned X amount of dollars or euros this year, and then now you have to pay $20,000 or $15,000 or $30,000 in taxes. And then unfortunately, most people cannot write a check for a big chunk of money. So again, we have to prepare for that.